Before we start the video, look. More subscribers! Holy! We have and 6 followers, and 2 guys follow me right now! Link in the description as usual. Follow me right now in Twitter. 34 subscribers, I'm gonna be! Holy! But guys, I can't believe it. Today we are playing Fedora Simulator. And it's a lifting. So Fedora Lifting Simulator. Let's go ahead and help the video. Let us be here. So guys, we're here and the Blondie's attacking me. Please, Blondie, alright, there we go. Get rid of this Fedora. 5 strength. 10 strength. I wanna do auto clicker. No, he's gonna fight. Let's fight. Dun, 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 dun. And it's Blondie versus Bug. Blue hair. Who's gonna win? Blondie's going on the street. Blue hair retreating. Run! Here comes Blondie. Not letting blue hair go. Blue hair wants his mommy. No, please. I have a family. Alright, we're gonna go. Scare circle, circle, not anymore. Did you just get tricked, but never mind, you didn't get tricked. Oh God. Where's this ladder? Please, leave me alone, Blondie. Leave me alone. Blondie, please. Leave me alone, Blondie, please. Yeah, he left me alone. So you only need to get notified, really? Yeah, nothing else. Alright. Now we can lift our Fedora. You can retrieve it in your inventory if you bought the games. Is this Dawn's lifting simulator? Fedora you have inventory. What does that mean? Inventory. I want. Just gonna, like, the only thing you do is lift the Fedora. Do you get anything else? You have to kill the people. It's serious. Is that a new Fedora now? Yay, new Fedora. How much does this give me? It literally gives the same. 5. Alright, I'm gonna keep on lifting this Fedora for some reason. Look at the sky! By the way, it's morning. Alright. So it's been 4 minutes in the video. And I'm just like really chilling. Oh, join Juicy Gang for an extra 50 health. Ooh. Nah, I'm good. I'm not gonna play this game that much. I'm just gonna go play the game that I like playing. Treasure Hunt Sim and Having Sim. Either way, my name is a copy of Treasure Hunt Sim, and it's like, I like it. Wait, this gives 15. Look at my strength already. 425. Holy! I have a new fedora already. This gives 85. I don't even have much either. Only 15. Alright, so I'm going to spam. $148 past hands. Is that? Is it doing alone? Oh, here, 900 more strength with the orange fedora. Oh. Alright, the game's not bad, that bad. Maybe I'll do another game based on this. You know, Orange is doing that. Let's go fight, bro. It's every day. Fight like the fight in Dice. Oh, come here. Evan noob. Even though you have 125 strength, you're such a noob. Die, dude. No one likes you. Die. Rip, Sacker. Who's a pro? So Steve there has 1 million strength. Bro. Who's next? Evie. Die, Evie! Die! No, Bacon Man's going crazy! Die, Evie! Move! Oh, God. Come here, Evie. Let me kill you. At least one. One kill, bro. Come on, Evie. Just die. Just go. You're gonna die. No, stop running away. You're gonna die. That's it, Evie. Just say bye to your life. You're gonna die, Evie. I'm sorry about this, Evie. He died. Yard. No! Steve's gonna kill me! Not a millionaire! Millionaire won't kill me. Not a day. I'm in my home. Yeah. This is my home. My home. I go dance in my home. Alright, I want to see you. How about I put you guys over here? Because I want to show you. Oh no. Here. Up here, alright? It's a now. I'm gonna slash these space dance. I'm dancing. Why lifting, yeah? Why lifting, yeah? What's that? A blue fedora. I am dancing. Why lift? Time to go kill more and then come back home and make sure. Turn. What is this? What is that? Come on. Oh, there he is. Go sneaky. Die! Time's up. No, Steve! No! I'm dead.